Hello everybody and welcome to this. Is our first activity for the Christchurch United Reformed Church in Rayleigh Messy Church Pentecost stroke 8th birthday, and today we're going to make a Dove birthday stroke Pentecost card, and in your pack you will have the instructions for this, and you will also have a pre-cut out card in the shape of a bird and a cloud. So hopefully on yours you also have a dotted line across there, and the first thing to do is to lay your card flat on the table. Pretend I'm laying mine on flat on the table, and I'm only holding it up so I can show you. You will need to lay yours flat on the table to make it easier, and then you can fold it, do a good fold that way, and then take it back and fold it the other way, and that hopefully will make things easier when we do the next bit. So the next bit is to open your card up like this, and you will see there's a fold here. What I want you to do is reverse that fold so that it is going the other way. Okay, and what will happen is your bird will fly out of your card in a beautiful way like this, so that when you open it up you can actually see it fly a bit. Okay, so having done that, you can then spend time decorating your bird if you want to. I'm a bit confused because no, it's fine. So what you can do is decorate your bird, and let's just see if it can go this way as well. Oh yes, okay. You can do either way, and you can do that with the feathers that we've given you. So you should have a few feathers. I've got a few feathers here, which I'm going to stick on with some glue. So just put some glue, put some feathers on, coloured ones and some white ones. Just getting feathers everywhere now. And on the other side we can put some feathers. If you want, you can save one for the tail. I haven't got enough for my tail, so no feather for the tail for me. And there we go, because I've given you all the best feathers in your packs. So there we have our card. Okay, what's happened? Okay. And there we have our card. So what you want to do is to write inside the card, and you can send this to a friend or keep it for yourself, and you can write whatever you like. So you can make it a birthday card if you want, or a happy Pentecost card and give it to somebody in your family. So you can just write inside and colour it as well if you want to. And that's our Pentecost card. So why are we using the symbol of a bird or a dove for Pentecost? So a dove came to Jesus after he was baptised by John the Baptist, and so we think of the Holy Spirit in this form. Doves remind us of peace. They aren't too noisy, are they? And purity, because they're often white, and new beginnings. So that's why we use the form of a dove at Pentecost. Now, for anybody who's wondering what Pentecost is, Pentecost was a celebration, and as Christians we remember Pentecost as the time that the Holy Spirit came down onto the disciples and filled them with so much joy and so much love straight from God, so that they were able to go out and talk about Jesus amongst the crowd. And this was after Jesus had gone back to be with God in heaven. So the Holy Spirit was a special thing that Jesus sent to look after his special friends, his disciples, and to help them to fulfill their mission, which was to go and tell everybody as much as they could about Jesus. So if you feel like going out and telling people about Jesus, maybe you could give somebody who you love this card to help them to know a bit more about Jesus. And I'll see you again for the next activity. Goodbye.